Guess where we are? You can fucking see it, can't you? They already know. They already know. They know by the title.
Don't have to tell them.
They
know by the title.
They know by the title. They don't even, nah, no explanation
and the fact
needed.
that I'm pulling out.
Did you have any issues with the Apex today?
Not one
no! Because it's an
one
Apex.
bit.
That's why. Apex, eh?
Yeah.
For shizzle.
Pinky had to do some surgery on it.
Oh, look at that.
Oh. Oh.
Uchi mama.
Uchi mama.
It's all about the vlog, isn't it? Nope.
Vlogs are for pussies.
I drank a liter of tequila in my bedroom. It's taking every ounce of power not to text you. Your body frozen in my mind like a statue. Wish I could scratch up all the letters of our tattoo. I'm a believer, but I keep learning the hard way. That your love's only gonna make my heart break. While I was crying, you were flying at a party. Baby, you played me like it's sorry at an arcade. I'm usually nice, but just for the night, I wanna be mean, I wanna fight. I wanna say things I've been keeping inside. 4-letter words, I'm cursing. Fuck you, you didn't deserve me. 4-letter words, I'm cursing. Fuck you, you didn't deserve me. I caught you lying with the Bible in your right hand. Thought you could rule me like I wasn't gonna bite back. I'm sick of manipulative and I'm spending all of my time second guessing my mind. Keep on taking the high road, but I'm ready to go low. So, I'm usually nice, but just for the night, I wanna be mean, I wanna fight. I wanna say things I've been keeping inside. 4-letter words, I'm cursing. Fuck you, you didn't deserve me. I was buried alive, but I learned to hold my breath. No, you won't fool me twice. You can't have this back. 4-letter words, I'm cursing. Fuck you, you didn't deserve me. 4-letter words, I'm cursing. Fuck you, you didn't deserve me.
So this shit, you probably see me almost hit the bucket. This shit is fucking high and solid. Look at this stuff. Solid steel. Your quad, it's a quad ender, alright? Okay, see, there's like, see that bit with the cross section?
Yeah, yeah.
So I power looped like that, but when I was coming up, I flipped it around and I've actually gone backwards through the triangle.
Oh.
And I was like, holy shit. Imagine if you had to climb this.
Like, wait, no.
Go get a quad.
Thank you for bringing me to your awesome